Hi guys, Dori here. I wanted to do this quick little short video for you to let you know of what you can expect on the day with Dori. So the first thing you're gonna do, of course, is come to our office. We are located at 131 Executive Circle in Daytona Beach, Florida. And when you come in here, you're just gonna park your car and then you're just gonna walk right in. A good indication is the orange door. Did you think about that? We are very branded. So we'll have you come in. Welcome to Inspiration Management. And the first person you're going to see is Heather. Say hi, Heather. Hi. And then when you walk in here, you're going to happen to pass by Tara's office. Say hi, Tara.
Hi. Welcome.
And then over here we have Jeff and Joelle. And then you're going to come to my office. And this is where we're gonna spend the day together. I'm so excited. We have this amazing, comfortable space where you and I, or a member of your team, whoever you want to bring with you, will sit down around this conference table and we will start brainstorming about all the things you want to fix about your business. So as far as what you need to prepare to come, it's actually very simple. Whatever challenges you have, you need to write them down. Then you should bring with you all your financials. Bring with you P&L statements, any volume per guest statements, closing percentages, number of consultations, all the things that I tell you to monitor all the time. The other thing you should bring with you is your marketing material, anything that you would like me to look at and assess. And then your big vision, your big goal. Don't come with very specific little questions. We want to think big. We want to see how we can get you to multiple millions of dollars in your business. That's the purpose really of our days, for all of us to sit down, brainstorm together, and come up with a strategic plan so you can go back and implement. So this is where we would spend. So you should show up around noon, and then we will stay together until 5 o'clock. Now, if we're still working on something, then of course we're gonna keep working until we finish it. So I am so looking forward to having you come and spend the day with me. And if you have any questions, you can always email my team and they'll be happy to help you. You are going to receive also an email that will outline the things that you need to do to prepare for this great day together. So I'm super excited. Look forward to seeing you at Inspiration Management so we can make great plans for your growth. And remember, you have infinite possibilities. So I'm so excited. I'll see you soon. Until next time, stay inspired.